Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fade in and out sounds in CapCut. So I'm just going to go to audio here and I'm going to add in sounds. And I'm just going to choose songs from here. Let's see, maybe this blog one. And I'm going to download it and add it. Then to fade in and out the audio, select it, select fade, and you are going to slide this to the right to add in a fade in duration. And then you're going to add in the fade out duration by doing the same thing, fade, and sliding this to the right to add in a fade out duration. Once you're done, you're just going to select the check mark button. That's it. You can see the fade out here and also the fade in at the beginning of the video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!